Hiya everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica. In this video, we deal with the idiom corner the market, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to sell or produce something so successfully that you overshadow all others in the same field. The takeaway franchise has taken the country by storm. We've really cornered the market. We're in every major city in the country and spreading. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. They set up a lemonade stand in the neighborhood. We've cornered the market because nobody sells lemonade on the street anymore, and we're making a killing. He recently invested in stocks. He feels he's going to become rich. I just came across these stocks, and I decided to corner the market and buy up as many as I can. In 1988, the Hunt brothers were charged with participating in a racketeering scheme. The Hunt brothers were charged with racketeering to corner the silver market, and the court ordered them to pay $130 million in damages. Here are some further examples for professional situations. The massive retail outlet have been the #1 go-to shop for many years now. We cornered the online retail market since the beginning. Most of our sales go through there. The gaming company have a niche way of creating games. Because of the unique gameplay in our games, we've become extremely popular and have really cornered the market in the gaming world. The shopping market reduced their prices, which over time forced some smaller businesses to close. They cornered the market and put me out of business. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.